Best practices for learning BSL. In this section, I will show you the best practices that people employ when learning BSL. By best practices, I mean the elements that need to be cherry-picked if you want to learn quickly and effectively. So, in short, I'll show you the best ways to learn BSL. The other thing you also have to keep in mind is to have your education recognized so you can get a job if you wish. So the certificate awarding bodies or the accreditation authorities matter the most in this case. I'll discuss them in detail too. As you may have guessed, BSL is also divided into different parts or levels, just like a spoken language. When we learn a language, we learn the fundamentals first. Then we dive deeper and deeper into the more complex stuff that helps us gain fluency in the language. BSL is no different. The levels in BSL represent the difficulty of the topics that correspond to each level. We'll also talk about these levels so you'll have a clear idea. I'll also discuss the course types, the materials you'll be provided in each of these course types and the general pricing models of these courses. In the end, I'll give you some handy tips to choose the courses as you level up in your overall BSL education. Let's start with the accreditation authorities first.